Liberty Crypto Hop here coming at you. I got 3 bullet points today. I was doing some research earlier. I couldn't believe it's been red all day. And so I was looking at this. There's always a reason for stuff like this that happens. So, number one, today, the Ethereum Foundation announced interoperability as its top priority. Awesome. Paving the way to seamless cross-chain integration and a smoother user experience. It can be tricky. That's one of the barriers to entry. If you're not a computer person, it's kind of complicated. I've been talking to a lot of people. They just want a simpler way to buy and sell crypto. And you got to find which button to click to do both of those things. So they're talking about the smoother user experience. So I like to hear these kind of headlines right here. Meanwhile, Binance futures are back online. Hey, by the way, if you're on a Binance platform, they had to go offline. There was a little glitch. It was not very long that they were offline, meaning it kind of freezes your user login and stuff to buy and sell. They're back on. Okay, so Binance is back on. They've always been very transparent when things like this happen. So good for Binance. Good job, guys. Number two, on the regulatory front, the SEC is preparing to approve generic listing rules that could fast track altcoin ETFs for tokens like DOGE, Solana, and XRP. If approved, this could dramatically reshape market access for investors. See, I love this kind of talk. They're putting blanket regulations instead of, it's slow and going. When each one of these blockchain projects has to put in for an ETF or an approval for this. It takes forever. SEC's putting an umbrella for quicker access to regulation. Okay, we love that stuff. So number three, the big one that we want to check out and we're talking about here, we're seeing a broad market correction right now, ladies and gentlemen, with over 95 of the top 100 cryptocurrencies trading in the red. So if you go to coin market cap, the top 100, 95 of them are in the red. Wow. Okay, tokens like DOGE, Solana, XRP, all 95 of them are down. Ethereum is, let's see, okay, Bitcoin down 3%, Ethereum over 5%. And traders are pointing to uncertainty around the Federal Reserve's next interest rate move. Let me say something on that. Inflation's up. People, I was researching, I saw it historically when the inflation is up in the past, historical data shows that every time inflation gets this high, there is a rate cut. So for me, there's really not uncertainty. It's already been some leaked out verbiage and things of the Fed. They have to lower interest rates, people. It's going to happen. That's my prediction. It's my opinion saying there historically, if you look at data, like I said, it's up. Rates have to come down. And this is economy. This is economics 101. Look it up yourself if you want to. They're going to now how much I don't know. We're talking about 50 basis points up to 500 basis points. So it's going to go down, guaranteed. Now that's going to create this stimulation that we've all been waiting for, and it aligns with my 4 phases that I talk about in a previous video that I posted there. So talking about that, I wanted to show y'all right here. This is Crypto Ash. I'm going to move myself out of the way real quick here. Now look at this chart. This is the stuff I've been talking about with these phases. Okay, this is the 2017 bull cycle. We are here. This is the 2017 chart that took off after this point. Come down here. Current bull cycle. We are here. If you compare the two cycles side by side, 21 is a little different because it had a double top, but we're comparing. This is Ash Crypto here. Thank you for putting this up, Ash. I appreciate it. This is on X if you want to look at it. We are here. We are here currently bull cycle. So you see all this stuff that up and down in between and everything. It doesn't matter. Why don't you just hold and just not even look at it until we get this little nice run up here for this euphoria. Look, if the rates drop, It creates free money. It's human psychology. And it goes with, the ninja was talking about the moon cycles. I truly have looked at the moon cycles before, and it affects humans in a big way. We're what is it, 90% water? So it affects us negatively. Speaking about water, everybody, I mean, this is the hydro. Okay, I keep showing this water bottle right here. When you're sitting at your workstation and you're dealing with your portfolio, and it's stressful, and you're trying to make decisions because each individual has to make their own decisions with certain things. I drink a full thing of this hydro water. I'm not joking. It helps me calm down. Okay. Now I finally got an affiliate link. Okay. If you guys are interested, I'll put it down there. Just click that affiliate link, and there's massive information if you have questions about this thing, or if you want to purchase. I have a discount code that I'll put in there as well. There's something to it, people. I'm not joking. I haven't really explained this in the past, but I was a D1 athlete, and I just didn't really nourish my body properly and healthy. But this thing here helps me focus more. I'm going to leave it at that. So anyway, thanks for checking in, everybody. Appreciate that. Hang in there. It's Friday, and markets are down, and it's that uncertainty thing. There's a couple of negative things in the main headlines about the rates. They're coming down, people. That's all I'm going to say. Leave you with that. Have fun. I might actually get my lady to come out river surfing with me. That's what I'm looking forward to right now. The river's up. We got some rain. Okay, we're gonna go have fun out there. I'll check back in if I hear anything at the river, and we'll go from there. Crypto Hop signing off. Love y'all. Thanks for checking in. We're going to keep moving forward with this thing. All right. Hope you all making some money. Peace out.